The first thing in hanging up a shower curtain, you have to determine how high you want it. You have to look where the bottom of the curtain will be down at the floor so you don't have water coming out and things. But I've determined that I want to put it in this far. I want to set it on top of here. Had an adjusting rod that I thought would hold, but it doesn't. So I'm going to have to put in one of these here, and the other part of this is one that's a complete circle. This one has a notch in the top so the rod can slide down in, which wouldn't be necessary with adjusting rod, but that's usually the way they come. So I measured in, I believe it was 2.5 inches here, made a mark, and then held actually this other one up here and marked a horizontal line. Then I've drilled a hole for the screw, and then I could put that, fasten that to the wall, and I'll tighten up that screw. And on the other side, I've made a mark here, and I'll drill that and put the screw in. There, I've got both of the brackets in. Now, put up the curtain. Being this adjusting rod, I'm gonna push it out as far as it'll go. And looks good. Down at the bottom, the shower curtain is just touching the floor, and there's a little bit of a lip right along here that comes up about probably an inch off the floor, so that should keep the water in the shower and not on the floor. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.